morning.
Good morning.
We're not on the porch. I'm about to make some coffee, but welcome.
Good old pour-over coffee. We have to get this in one take, too. Or we're going to have a lot of coffee.
Or we're going to have a lot of coffee.
So these pour-overs, we still meet people like at work and whatnot that have never done a pour-over. Pour-overs are great as long as you can get boiled water somehow. It's really easy, and it makes pretty good coffee. She has a single layer glass pot. I have what I consider a little better one at home. It's a 2-layer.
Double walled.
And so you can actually easily grab it and move it, and it keeps the heat in a pretty long time. Don't know how they get 2 glass spheres into another one, or one into another one, but so that's pretty cool.
Yep.
So just use a filter, a paper filter. That'll make for easy cleanup.
Definitely.
And slow the water down so it
steeps
a little bit longer. So that's good.
So today, since we decided to film inside and in the kitchen, welcome.
Welcome.
We figured we would talk about food and, just kind of go on a rant.
Stuff. That's all we do is rant. It's all right. It's all good rants. So we have 2 cameras up. We have 2 cameras today.
Yeah, we went over the
one
coffee
over here. So
and the making.
We've
changed up our mugs for the day.
It's chaos. It's
I know, total chaos. I mean, we need help.
We're venturing out to do multiple camera angles, and we'll see how the lighting is for that.
Yep.
So we'll show a picture. I took a picture of you setting up the one camera.
Oh, perfect.
So we'll just show you kind of behind the scenes what we're doing. Just use what we have, I guess.
Yeah. So one thing I do want to mention, first off, Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Yep. And this past week on our lovely Cinco de Mayo Taco Tuesday, I made fish tacos.
Oh,
and
yummy.
They were fantastic. It was a frozen meal kit from Lidl, and I was really impressed. It was albacore tuna.
We finally have a Lidl close to the house.
Finally have a Lidl, yay!
We've never been to Lidl. It's a German.
It's a German chain,
based company.
And they are a direct competitor of Aldi. So if you have Aldi, they are not the same. They are competitors, but both German supermarkets and fantastic prices.
I mean, if you don't mind shopping for your frozen goods next to the lawnmowers.
Yeah,
who
it's
cares?
An all-in-one store. It's
all
kind of like
it's weird.
Throwback to general stores, long time
but
ago.
They
in
have
the US,
some.
But they've got all sorts of things.
They have their own brands, but they also pick pretty good, third parties.
It's imported brands. So there's a lot of food from Germany and from other countries in Europe. And so not only did we make those Taco Tuesdays made the tacos on Taco Tuesday.
Tacos.
It was my mom's first. Yes,
right.
I said first. We're out of water
Off
now.
Camera.
First time ever having fish tacos. Tragedy.
Maybe next week will be her second time.
We fixed it.
Next week will be her second.
So now
time.
we have to figure out all the things Mom hasn't eaten. But I asked her the question, and she looked at me and said, I don't know.
I don't know.
So
we'll show her pictures.
Pictures of different foods that she might not have ever eaten, and we need to make sure she gets a chance to eat those.
Right.
Just random.
I should make my dad ziti. How to do that?
Baked ziti.
Put that on the list this week. Look that up.
Sounds like a plan. Mom and I are going to make Swedish meatballs. Old family tradition, passed down on her side of the family. So yeah, we're definitely going to be doing that as well. But I don't know. Anything else fun and exciting? Oh, I know something.
What?
So I am also a crafty person, and in my spirits, crafty.
Crafty.
Yeah, so I do a lot of sewing, but I sew costumes.
Shifty or crafty?
Crafty.
Crafty. Okay, gotcha.
And I ordered some fabric back in the beginning of March when everybody started saying, hey, you can use fabric face cloths, coverings if you can't find surgical ones. So I was like, oh, I'll get some material, and it finally came, and it was specifically for this guy right here, because I couldn't help it. I had to get, I don't know which camera is best to show that to, but there's this one. Here, you guys can see it, but it is covered in Linux tux. There you go, babe.
A Linux tux is a penguin. You would think, because of all the Linux tux stuff I have, that I was the greatest Linux admin in the world. I am not by far. I do okay. So, that's
but
it.
You enjoy it.
So thank you.
So
inside she has a dark gray.
Yep.
Yeah. Kind of nice.
And I have one that I made for myself that's got an additional pocket. I know it's really hard to see that, but there's an additional pocket. So if you want to put a extra filter layer in, you can. These masks, the pattern I used was from another YouTuber. She is Pretty Handy Girl, and these are by far the best pattern. Totally the easiest one that I've found, because I've tried a couple different ones. I'm not a clothing maker, but I do costumes, obviously masks, things like that. And and one thing that she suggested, which worked out really great, is that the little nose thing, is made from the little metal and plastic closure on coffee bags. And since we love coffee, we had plenty of those. And they fit your nose perfect.
That holds the shape,
and it really holds the shape great. So there's just some kind of random things that
I guess we
I've
can
been
put it
working
on
this week. Yeah, but then you can't be heard when you're wearing that.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I hear reporters online.
Fair enough.
On the news.
There's also,
don't tighten me up.
Okay. There's also little beads on the side.
Yep.
So that you can tighten the mask as needed.
These are more comfortable too, because you used a wider
I did.
elastic.
I used
it's better
5/8 fold over elastic. So my mask actually is using a tie from a hoodie. I just pulled the hoodie tie out because it's got a little bit of stretch to it, and still did the beads as well.
I'm sure there's 10,000
ways to do this.
And 10,000 videos out there of people talking about masks, but
I'll link down below to the Pretty Handy Girl and her video of it, because I'm not going to do a video on how to make a mask. There's just so many of them out there. It's unnecessary.
Yeah.
And she did a great job. And her pattern,
you know what?
fantastic.
I guess
this is the new norm?
Partially, or at least for a long while.
Yep.
Maybe a couple of years.
Okay. Now I need my coffee.
Yes. Please. Oh, I'll be right back. We failed to prepare me. Oh, I almost walked away with my sound recorder.
Make sure you're still plugged in.
I got my cell phone in the drawer, showing that I'm recording. Just to let you know, we're just recording on lav mics that plug into cell phones. So that's how that works.
Mine's in my back pocket.
Yep. So we do what we can. We've learned a lot.
Yep. So this is something that Chris uses in his coffee. It's all natural stevia, just liquid stevia. You could talk about that while I pour the coffee.
I didn't discover this. Somebody else in my life did. Thank you to her. Pretty good. It lasts a long time. This will last me, oh boy, over a year, maybe a year and a half. 3 drops in coffee a day. So you don't need much.
No, you don't.
I wouldn't dare put even a drop on my tongue by itself. It's like, ooh, it'd be really strong. So
it'd be very, very strong.
All right. Well, morning ritual.
Yes.
Cheers. Did we mention iced coffee makes bad coffee much better?
No, I'm actually going to be
doing not today, but
not today, but I'll definitely be doing.
I'm
going to be doing a coffee taste test. I've picked up bags from a couple different local roasters, not necessarily local to North Carolina, but I've got one from San Diego. I've got one from up in Virginia. I have one in Raleigh, and I'm going to pick one up. I think they're in Holly Springs. So there's going to be at least 4 different coffees, and I'm going to do pour over and make individual cups of each, and then just taste them. I am not a coffee, that's not my profession at all, but I love coffee. And so I'll just give you my honest opinion of the coffee, and you can take it as you want. So be it. But that's something that I've got kind of in the works. I got to just pick up that one more bag of coffee, maybe two. We'll see. And I'll have them all out so you can see what they are and then go from there. I think that's pretty much everything besides holidays.
Where's the calendar?
So I don't have the calendar with me, but I've got some notes. Yeah. So happy Mother's Day again. It is Mother's Day, but it is also National Clean Your Room Day. That's right.
Oh,
Do it for Mom. Oh. And National Shrimp Day. So maybe we should have some shrimp tonight with dinner. Shrimp.
Yeah.
Monday, National Eat What You Want Day, which, right now, that fits. Yeah. Totally fits.
Everyone's eating bad anyway.
Scoot this over. Yeah. Then we've got Tuesday, International Nurses Day. So
wait, didn't we?
Oh, that was National Nurses Day. This is International Nurses Day. Oh, so they've got 2 weeks that they get to be thanked.
This year they deserve 2.
They totally deserve. They deserve more than just 2. Wednesday is National Apple Pie Day. Ooh. I love apple pie. Okay. We should get some.
What's that, Wednesday?
That's Wednesday.
Totally get some.
Yep. From either Lowe's or Wegmans. Lowe's Food, not Lowe's Hardware. Just for any of you not from this area, Lowe's Food is an actual.
Be hard to beat. We'll go to Wegmans for the first time. We got the new one here. So.
Yep. And then it is also International Hummus Day. So we'll pick up some pita bread and some hummus because hummus is really good.
We can't eat all this food.
I'm going to certainly try because Monday is National Eat What You Want Day. So I'm going to eat as much as possible, right?
Yep.
Thursday is National Dance Like a Chicken Day. Woo, yeah. Everybody get ready. Friday is National Pizza Party Day, which Friday is our pizza day a lot of the time.
If we're going to order pizza Friday, we better do it early.
Yes, definitely. It's also National Chocolate Chip Day. So you have dinner and dessert all in one day. You get to celebrate both.
Pizza and chocolate chips. Ice cream.
Ooh, there we go. And Saturday is Armed Forces Day.
Hoot.
Yep, absolutely.
2 Army people here.
Yep, both vets. So, and it is also Love a Tree Day. So go out and hug some trees. Since you can't hug people, we can go with trees. I guess that'll work.
Yeah, thank goodness you
just be careful. They're not pokey because that would be painful.
Or have bugs on them.
Yeah, that would be good. Not good too. And it is also National Mimosa Day. So get some orange juice, get some champagne.
What day is that?
Saturday. Next Saturday.
Totally have some mimosa.
It. So thanks for watching this morning, and I hope that you've enjoyed our little chat. And we'll see you next week. Cheers.
Cheers. I like the clink.